guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over my March 2025 kit lineup. I do not have all of my foil with me right now. I have to order it from Plannahannah, but I do have most of it. And we're just going to go over these kits. So the first kit I have here for the week of the March 3rd through the 9th is this February 2022 mystery kit from Glam Planner. Called Movie Night. So I have it all out of order. No, I don't. Okay. So we have our 8 full boxes. I am getting my foil from Plannahannah for this one. We have our functional sheet with a double box scene, our pattern in solid boxes, our deco and sidebar elements with some icons. We have our little things page. We have our glitter headers and regular headers. Our bottom washi and our date covers. We have extra full boxes with different skin tones. And then we have a sampler page. So I do again have foil coming from Plannahannah for movie night. And I'm doing 2 foils. I'm thinking I'm going to do like an olive solid underlay and white on this one, or navy blue and white. I haven't quite decided yet, but that's the first kit. I really didn't need to put them down. Put them back in the container. But the second kit here is for the week of March 10th through the 16th. This is called Lilac Woods from Scribble Prints CO. I am obsessed with this kit. I did not get any of the extras because I bought this when she didn't have them, but we have our 8 full boxes here. We have our freebie with the extra skin tones of the hand. We have our sidebar and our deco. We have our glitter headers and 2 extra, and 2 extra full boxes here. We have our square and rounded boxes. We have our little things. We have our solid boxes, our pattern boxes, and then we have our bottom washi and our date covers. I do have my foil for this one. I chose Build Your Own Bundle from Plannahannah with January's foil of the month, and I thought it just went super well with this one. I think it was like a unicorn color almost. But there's like pink, purple, and silver. So I thought this was going to be great. So we have our icons and our headers, which I got the confetti headers. I got the font of the month for my scripts and my date dots. And we have our hole reinforcers and corner full box. I got the unicorn washi and diamond washi, the mixed confetti overlays, and then I did pick the, oh god, I love this foil so much. I did pick the unicorn underlays. So I thought that was just really cute. My daughter is obsessed with My Little Pony and Unicorn Academy, so I had to use this kit even though her birthday is in June, but I thought it gave me some awesome spring vibes. And then I have kit for March 17th through the 23rd. Yeah, I have one too many kits. Okay. Well, we'll use this one instead. Okay. So this kit is called Sherwood from Keatown. I don't think he's no longer open, but this is a cute like Robin Hood theme. So we have our 8-fold boxes, we have our sidebar, we have our deco and extra full boxes here. We have our little things and solids. We have some habit trackers and rounded boxes. We have patterned boxes, icons and glitter headers. And then we have our date covers and our washi, bottom washi. So with this kit, I'm going to do a build your own bundle again. I just don't have it. But I did have these two, I had these solid underlays for in winter green from Plannahannah that I think I'm gonna use on top or underneath the actual kit that actual bundle kit that I got coming. So that is Sherwood. And then for the week of the 24th through the 30th, there we go, I have this mystery kit from Crass Press. This is called the Goth Doll. So we have our 8-fold boxes. We do have the bottom washi, 15 millimeter washi here. She did send in extra color, which is this black. We have extra boxes. We have our deco. We have our solid boxes. Ooh, come on. We have our patterned boxes. We have our glitter headers. We have our bottom washi, date covers and date dots with another full box. We have our sidebar with another full box. We have some little things. And then we do have these fashion people with extra skin tones. So that is that kit. I am throwing in a couple of bundles from Scribble Prints CO. I thought I was gonna use this like rose color, but it actually doesn't match the foil that I picked, so I'm not using that now. But I do have this like burgundy color that I thought might work. But I'm kind of looking at it that it might not work now. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I think I'm gonna get black underlays for this one. Black solids for this one, actually, now that I'm looking at it and not using those. But since I'm not using that foil bundle, I think I'm going to do black underlays with some of these quotes in the rose. And then I know I'm going to be using this bundle here. It's in sparkly hollow. So I think this is the punk bundle, but we have our overlays and our headers. We get 2 pages of those. We have these fun little funderlays. I think the black is going to look so good underneath those. We have our icons and scripts and our bottom washi and date covers. So that is what I am going to be using in March for kits. And I think we have a pretty good like collage here going. I'm movie night. I'm really excited about. This one I'm really excited about. There's a couple that I'm like, I'm not sure, like the Goth Doll and Sherwood, on what I'm pairing them with. that's okay. I think in the end, they will turn out very good, and I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.